In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a moving parallax banner on your Weebly site. A parallax banner can add an interactive and visually appealing element to your website, making your content stand out and engage visitors more effectively. Let's dive in and get this set up on your site. To start, make sure you are logged into your Weebly account and have navigated to your site editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to locate the banner you wish to convert into a parallax banner. Banners are typically at the top of your web pages and are an essential part of your site's visual appeal. Clicking on the banner will bring up several editing options. This is your canvas, where the magic will happen. After clicking on your chosen banner, you'll notice an option labeled Edit Background. This setting is crucial, as it allows you to change various attributes of your banner. Give that a click. Doing so will unveil several options that let you customize your banner's appearance, including an option for scrolling effects. Scrolling effects are what make the parallax feature possible, providing a unique depth to your banner by shifting the background at a different speed than the foreground as users scroll down the page. Next, focus your attention on the scrolling effect options. This is where you can select the parallax effect. By clicking on Scrolling Effect, you will see a list of effects that can be applied. Choose the parallax option. The parallax effect creates a layered, three-dimensional effect that catches the viewer's eye as they navigate through your site. It adds a sense of movement and depth that makes your site more dynamic and interesting. And just like that, with a simple click, you have successfully applied a parallax effect to your banner. Take a moment to scroll through your site in the editor and see how the parallax effect influences the movement and feel of your banner. It's exciting to see how this feature enhances the overall look of your site. If you ever wish to remove the effect or try a different one, you can simply repeat these steps and select a new option from the Scrolling Effects menu. As you navigate back through the customization options, feel free to experiment with other features as well, until you find the perfect look for your site. That's all there is to it. Creating a moving parallax banner is an effective way to add sophistication and flair to your Weebly website without extensive coding knowledge. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Weebly tips and tricks. Happy designing!